Hello everyone, today is day 19th of LeetCode August Challenge and today's question is Goat Latin. I hope you have gone through the question. I have reduced the rules stated here into a simple PowerPoint script and those are as follows. There are three simple rules to solve the problem. Extract all words present in the string and the rules are like this. If a word starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, append MA to the end of it. If the word starts with a consonant, remove the first character and append it to the last index. Also append MA to the end of it. This is important. And the third rule states with each iteration, append A times the index of the current word to the end of the word, which means that you increase A with each iteration as well. So let's explain it with an example. So the example is I love lead code. The first word here is I and it starts with the vowel. So the rule first applies to this. So you append MA to the end of it. I remains as it is added MA and as per the rule 3 added A to the end of it. So the first word becomes I am double A which is as expected as in the answer is. The second word is love and it starts with a consonant. So what you will do is rule 2 applies to this. You'll remove the first character L and append it to the end of it. So OVE stays, L comes and then comes MA as stated in the rule 2 and you update the end with double A since it's the second word in your iteration. The third word is lead code. Again, it lies in the second rule since it starts with a consonant. So you remove the first character of it, add it to the end of it. So it's eat code plus L plus MA as stated in the second rule, and you added A three times to it. So, and hence the answer becomes I M double A O V E L M double triple A eat code LM 4 times A. Let's try and code this up. I'll be coding this up in Java and let me just define an array of strings. So named words. So I'll be splitting up the string using the split method and the delimiter would be a space. And also before defining further code, I'll define a private method that will check whether a character is vowel or not is vowel, which takes in a character C and returns if it is a vowel or not. If return C equals to A or it's equal to E or it's equal to I or it's equal to O or it's equal to U. And let's define a string builder, new string str equals to new string builder. Let's iterate through the words array, string word, words, processed over words. Also you need a for updating a variable for updating and storing a. So I'll define string a equals to a. Now I am extracting the first character, char first start character. Let me just call it start char word dot char at 0th index. If is vowel character dot to, let me just reduce into the lowercase. Start for easier comparison. If it starts with the vowel, then my new word would be something like this. New word equals to word plus ma plus a. else my new word equals to word dot substring, because we need to remove the first character of the word. Until we'll use this substring method to generate the substring from word plus start word, whatever the start word was, plus ma plus a. And let me just append it to the new str, the new word that we have generated. Dot append new word space plus a new word, and let's update a equals to a plus a. That's fine. And let me just return new str dot to string dot substring, starting from the first character, because the first one will be a space, so we don't want to count that. Let's try and run this. So I think it passed, and let me just submit it. Accepted. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubts, please get in touch.